Jain friends, some days before I saw Aurangabad is developing very much. So I thought that time, oh, there are so many changes, drastic changes happening in Aurangabad. And why it is happening? The municipal corporation is doing so much great work to develop Aurangabad. And then I search on Google that Aurangabad is developing under the mission, the smart city mission, and then I search about it. So Aurangabad is a city in Maharashtra. So those who are not Maharashtrian, so I am telling to them. So I first search what is smart city, why government of India launched the smart city mission, what are the aims and purposes of smart city mission, what are the challenges they face when they launch this mission, and what are the solutions and how they work on it, and then I will conclude with my view or how the smart city mission is become successful. So first we will talk about the smart city mission. In 2015, government of the new government, BJP government, completed its first year term. So at that time, the PM Narendra Modi decided that we need to develop our urban areas on the basis of Western countries. Western cities are developed very high level. So we need to develop our some cities at that level. So government of India launched the smart city mission in 2015. But there were some challenges. First, I need to tell you about why they launched this mission. So they launched this mission to develop a basic infrastructure, provide water facilities, maintain infrastructure, develop quality road, develop hospitals. They need to improve we need to improve our drainage system also. So these are some points, and if we develop great infrastructure and if we provide great hospitals facilities, provide water facilities, education level, if we level the increase of education, then it will automatically change the quality life. It will increase our quality life. So these are some aims behind this smart city mission. Then I will tell you about some challenges. Then government decided they will give 2 lakhs of fund to all 100 cities, and they will develop these 100 cities in 5 years. So they decided this in 2015. They took a competition, a smart city competition, so that 100 cities will they take participate, and they can choose 100 cities. So many cities participated in this competition, but the only 100 cities are selected in this competition, and now government is developing these 100 cities. So what government did? Government provided 500 crore rupees to a city, central government, 500 crore rupees from state government. So and same amount from municipal parties, so that the city will change. And government is not thinking about totally changing that city. Government is thinking, okay, if the city is having vast area, then they need to develop some area of some part of that city. So after seeing that area, the other part also will develop automatically, and after seeing that city, the other neighboring cities will see, okay, my neighboring city was that not that much developed before 5 years, but now this city is become smart. So we need to also develop our city, and we need to provide employment to our residents. This smart city mission is giving employment to contractors, road development contractors. They are providing best hospital facilities. They are providing better water facilities, mineral water, pure water. They are providing quality life to residents. So because of this, rural people are migrating towards this developed city. So migration problem is happening there. So now government is thinking, okay, we are developing 100 cities. Now we need to develop more 100 cities. So the migration problem will not be there. The third challenge is in the union there is a government, and in state there is another government. So to oppose the government, some political parties are opposing the good mission also, the good plan given by center government. So for that the government needs to establish a committee, and they need to have a mutual understanding, and they need to work on these facilities to provide quality life to people, so that can this solution this problem will be solved. And this is a solution if the government appoint a coordination committee, and they think, okay, we have some political issues, but we need to develop our cities to provide a quality life to our residents. This is the issue. And fourth is a fund issue. Government is providing only 2 lakh crore rupees fund, but if they want to develop our capital, like Delhi is our capital, if they want to change our capital in a huge manner, then only the Delhi needs 2 lakh crores fund, and government is providing only 15,000 crore to a city. So this fund is very less in comparative to Western countries. So we need to develop also. We need to increase funds also. But government is working on it, and if they work on one city, then if they develop a particular area of a city, then automatically the municipal corporation will develop other area, and the city will develop on a huge level. Fourth problem is when they are developing a smart city now, that time they are cutting some trees. So there is a solution. If they are cutting 10 trees, then they need to plant a minimum 50 trees, so that in the future these trees will the number of trees will increase, and the environment will be not harmed by this plan. So these are some solutions. Now I want to give you my views. This plan is very good, and government is developing. I saw the drastic change happening in Aurangabad, the change happening in Nagpur, and I saw the change happening in Delhi also. In Dehradun also the drastic change is happening. Dehradun is also developing so gradually. So government needs to complete this 100 projects, and then government needs to launch more 100 cities as a smart city, and slowly they need to slowly government needs to develop 100 cities, so that our India will develop. And people also should give their people should help government to in these projects. See, our mentality is like, okay, if they are developing it, it's their duty, it's government duty, but government is developing. We need to safeguard this, secure these facilities given by government. In riots and in dharnas, we just break buses, private vehicles also, we break hospitals. So we need to change our mentality. We need to clean our areas, so that government will think, okay, the whole country is supporting us in this mission. So we need to give more funds, and we need to take up give a proper infrastructure. We need to check it on a particular occasion. So the aim will be in the mind, and it will be get successful. This mission will be become successful. So thank you for listening me. Jai Hind.